And I want you to learn from this, okay? So if we have, I'll start on a new page, okay? Yeah, I'll start on a new page. So if this is my transformation, and then I'm not going to draw any fancy car I had before. I'm just going to draw an ordinary car, a Volvo, okay, with wheels. And this is to show you, what is that called? I'm not joking, okay? What is that? The exhaust pipe. So you know where's the front, where's the back, right? So where's the front, anyone? Thank you, okay? Yeah, without that, you can't tell. I know, I can't tell also. So we look at the plan view. Okay. And then on the plan view, I told you guys this is a Volvo, right? So you have lines like this. And then we are in Canada. Canada, your steering wheel is over here. Okay. And this is an exhaust. This is a cheap model. Inside the car, you have this structure. This is inside the car. Okay. So this is known as bumper beam. Over here, this is known as your front side pillar. Over here, you have your rear bumper beam. And then we have your rear side pillar. Okay. So these are key structure of a car. So we have material that we can use AISI 1045. We can also use Uzbor 1500. We can also use dual phase 600. And we can also use TRIP 800. Okay. 4 different materials. Okay. So those of you who have a smartphone, okay, let's start from something easy. Okay. Those of you have smartphone, right? You get connected to internet, right? You have computers. Do you all need a plan to connect to computer or to internet? No, they are in advanced state, right? You pay a very expensive school fees, you get internet connection. Now, can you Google for me what material to use for bumper beam? I give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, or you can type, okay, which material is best to use for bumper beam? You can type in AIS 1045, from a full spot 1500, from a dual phase 600, from a 800. Hey, it's not made out of steel. It is made of steel. What material will you use? High strength steel? See? It's made of steel. You think what I'm teaching you is bullshit? It's not made of steel. You can make of aluminum, but it has to be very big. Okay. Now, some of you down here looks very well. Okay. Your family produced AI at I-45, and your family made a lot of money. Your family business is full for 1500. Remember that. For your case, your family business is on your face still. The last person at the rear, your family business is still extended. So come to you. You will say what? Yes, I pay for fine. Then I'm going to ask you, which material you think is best to use at your company? Which one? Rules for 1500. And then I ask the next person, which material is best for? Yeah, you're missing. And then the last one behind, which material is best for bumper beam? Yeah, you better say 300 or not, I'll come and beat you up. It depends on what I sell. I can even sell what is the best material because I sell use garbage. Use what? Use wood. Why not you try ChatGPT? Go. You all can access ChatGPT? Yeah, try ChatGPT. What material is best to use for bumper beam? See what come out. Artificial intelligence. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, what I teach you down here is what? Real intelligence. Nothing what? Okay. I have nothing against AI. I use ChatGPT when my English is screwed up or when I'm tired, I'm writing a proposal, I get tired, I go ChatGPT, improve my freaking English. It does that for me. Very good. Okay? So what material you use? Come on. Okay, so now let's say everyone, you guys are engineers in a company. Okay. You are supposed, okay. We are going to design the bumper beam. Our company needs have the ability of purchasing this material. You have to justify to me which material to use. So like now, no messing around. Cannot touch it. I'm serious. What will you use? This one. Who's for? What? So what if it's happening before?
I mean, a bumper, right? When you hit something, it's compressive, right? You hit something goes in. We use one hard to the form. I don't know if that's good. I don't know if my delivery is on point, but that's my sales pitch.
And you guess what? Most of the time, if you use your your sales pitch, it will be done. Why? Because the person controlling the money knows nothing about business. Then you use foosball, make everything, the car go, crash, people die. You get sued. You know what I mean? So the sales pitch can go so far. Okay. By the way, what material you say? The answer is correct, but the reason is wrong. I repeat again. The answer is what? Correct, but the reason is what? Wrong. Okay. So anyone else? Oh, I already tell you what's the correct answer already. So why foosball? Okay. So what made you make that decision is of foosball? Because you have seen this data. Yes or no? This data tells us that this material is difficult to what? Deform. It's always difficult to deform. It does not matter if you crash your car at 10 kilometers per hour, 500 kilometers per hour, or 60 kilometers per hour, because it's really equal to what? Now, as engineers, what before you select the material, what question can you ask about the bumper beam? Before you can select the material. Quite important. No question. Let's say you have no knowledge about cars. Okay? Most of the time when we ask to design stuff, we have not a clue what is the function. What? Yes.
Only the crumple zone, no?
Huh?
Crumple zone.
You are there, right? No. Bumper beam cannot be the crumple zone. If your bumper beam is a crumple zone, it's very, very dangerous. Okay? So what will you ask about the bumper beam? Anyone? Okay?
That's more of a cost budget.
No. Okay, cost is one, but what else? Don't think about money. There is just that costs. Everyone can pay. Freaking bird cost. No? No?
Structure.
What about the structure you will ask?
Is it strength?
No. You will ask this simple question. What is the function of the what? No. You ask about the function first. What is the function of the front side pillar? What is the function of the rear side pillar? What is the function of the rear what? Bumper beam. So as manufacturing engineer, we are supposed to know. You know what's a manufacturing engineer? They can throw anything at us, we have to be resilient. Kitchen sink, whatever they throw at us, we have to be resilient. Okay? Now, the function of the bumper beam is as follows. Okay, so we are going to look at the bumper beam. So the function of the bumper beam is to what? Transmit. Okay, transmit the load or energy to the front side pillar. That is the purpose. Okay. That's not who talk about the crumble zone. Who say crumble zone? Now, my question to you, which material or which component will crumble? Yeah, the front side pillar will what? Will crumble. The beam is what? Transmit. Okay. Any idea why? Any idea? Any idea why? You need to be able to visualize the design, right? The front bumper beam, upon impact, you don't need to what? Crumple. You want it to what? Transmit. Okay. More important than anything else. Why you want it to transmit? You don't want it to crumble. If this is my bumper beam, this is why manufacturing is. If this is my bumper beam, sorry, those online, you can't see this, okay? I'm doing live demo, okay? So the moral of the story, please come if you can, okay? If this is your bumper beam, behind here is a side pillar, it's easy to what? Right? How do you make it